Hi Leo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Leo, I hope you're doing well, and 2021 is treating you with utmost kindness. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. You've got your first card. It's so good to be back. Okay. Oopsie. Leo, I feel you guys are really restless and excited about something. Excitement can be both negative and positive. Cool. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Emperor. Leo, here I feel you guys are caught in the middle of a lot of shifty communications, people coming in and out of your life, trying to communicate with you, showing you a picture which is not necessarily true. Beware of people taking advantage of your kindness because, as a sign, you guys are really sensitive and emotional. So, don't let people take you for a ride, especially this Knight of Wands energy and Knight of Swords energy. Two very shifty people. Lot of communication coming your way, but not the kind of communication that you're waiting for. You know, you want a more fulfilling talk with somebody. Now, this reading is has got nothing to do with work. This is purely emotional and it surrounds not surrounds, it is about your love life. You've got three major arcanas over here, very strong energies of ownership, taking authority of your emotions, and finally gaining that confidence to attract what serves you. But you have been through a journey to reach this confidence. And for those who are still going through this journey, don't hold yourself back. Just take everything in your stride because you are manifesting everything that you want, okay? If you've been waiting for communication, if you've been waiting for a new beginning, if you've been waiting for a new start when it comes to your emotions or where to invest in now here it doesn't mean financially but in people who are worthy of your emotions and love and care and compassion, everything is falling into place. A new beginning is coming, something that you were waiting for around the 3rd of next month or in March. Things are turning. People who've left you are coming back. People who took you for a ride are regretting it and they want to make up for it. New love is coming. Now, new love doesn't always mean with a new person. Sometimes people go through a drastic change and they become something different. They become something absolutely new after there are people who work on themselves spiritually and then they realize that they're not what they were, and that is also a new person in a way, right? It's also a completely new person. So now that person could be from your past, somebody you've known, and who has gone through a 180-degree to enhance their nature, to make certain amends, just so that they can be worthy of your love. I'll draw some more messages for you from this, because I feel I'm not satisfied. Okay, yep, new love coming in for you. There could be two people that you're caught up in between, where you need to choose from, but you will make a good decision, don't worry. Just weigh your pros and cons, weigh your actually pros and cons, and just see how your energies vibe with the other person. Meet people if you have to, but maintain social distancing. uh don't make any hasty decisions. Don't get into relationships that are built on conflict. Sometimes we feel, we are under that impression that opposites attract, but sometimes that's not possible, because when two people have two very different schools of thought, it can create a lot of turmoil in a relationship. So, having some similarities is better than having no similarities. You could be feeling a little immature when you know, communicate with certain people. You feel like a baby, and you want to be babied, but don't do that. Be your mature self, because then you're going to be attracting exactly what you want. So reflect what you want to attract. Okay? There could be two people who you are keen on, and you're weighing your options, exploring, which is good. You should do that, because you know what? Everyone does it. So it's not okay. Two cards came out from this. Oh, okay. Seven of water. Uh, there could be an earth sign individual and a water sign individual in your life. Or you could have some earth element in your life. Or whatever it is, you'll find yourself stepping back and seeing the bigger picture, because you really need to make a serious decision now. Come to a very serious conclusion. You're not ready for more games anymore, Leo. Some serious energies over here. Lots of love coming your way. Everyone sees how attractive you are and how emotionally strong you can be, and they want you. So, yes, new love. Let's see some oracle messages. These messages may or may not be directly related to your tarot. If you believe, it's a yes, big yes. I don't usually see the bottom of the card, bottom of the deck for the oracle messages, but I don't know why I turned it. Probably this was something that you needed to hear, Leo. Make a wish. Pause this video right now. Make the wish that you always make a wish that you feel you want to manifest. This is the time to manifest something that you've always wanted. So go ahead and make that wish. This is a magical moment, guys. Prosperity lies ahead. Let me take out one more card for you from the Moonology. It's time to release negativity. You've got a new moon and full moon, cycles ending and beginning, and new things coming your way. As I said, new love, and old cycles ending with old people, because they are changing for you. Mm. Seeing potential, bringing unconsciousness to light. Sometimes we need to really step back and see if a certain person really brings out the best in us, or are we just being with them because we are lonely, or because they're attractive, or because they're attracted to us and we feel a certain kind of responsibility towards them just because they're attracted. Leo, everybody is going to be attracted to you because you are a beautiful person. But don't let people just take things from you. See this card. Just because you're nice, people can't take you for a ride, okay? That is why I'm saying think about every decision you make. Even if it takes you 1 month to take a decision, take it. Take a whole month. But no more hasty decisions, please. Okay. Thank you, universe, for helping me see beyond the limits of fear. Thank you for expanding my perceptions so that I can see what is of the highest good. That's the conclusion to your reading because, as I mentioned, you need to see what truly serves you. And by delving deeper into your consciousness, unconsciousness, subconsciousness, you'll know what it is that you really want, Leo. You are the emperor and the empress of your life. Don't let anyone else take control of it. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Thank you for watching. Bye.